Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the latest and most comprehensive reviews of the products that matter. Today, we're taking a look at the Cuisinart Air Fryer, model Air 180, which promises to make your kitchen tasks a little easier and a lot more efficient. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or keeping your food warm, this versatile appliance has a lot to offer. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Cuisinart Air Fryer features a spacious 6-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or anyone who loves preparing large meals. With the ability to cook a 4-pound chicken, 6 salmon fillets, or 2 pounds of French fries, this machine is designed to handle a variety of dishes with ease. It boasts 4 distinct cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, and keep warm, giving you flexibility in the kitchen. It also comes with 3 handy air fry presets: wings, French fries, and frozen snacks, making it easier to cook your favorite dishes with just the touch of a button. Now, let's talk about the power behind this appliance. With 1,800 watts of cooking power and an adjustable temperature range that goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer doesn't hold back when it comes to performance. Whether you're crisping up some wings or baking a cake, it gets hot and stays consistent, ensuring that your food is cooked perfectly every time. The automatic warming mode is another nice touch, keeping your food at the ideal temperature after cooking without overcooking it. When it comes to cleaning, this Cuisinart Air Fryer makes things a lot easier. The basket and crisper plate are both coated with a ceramic non-stick surface, and both are PFAS-free. What does that mean for you? It means that not only are these components safer to use, but they're also a breeze to clean. You can toss them in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort after cooking. Having tested this air fryer extensively, I can tell you it's easy to set up and operate. The controls are straightforward, and the presets really make cooking simpler. I tested it with a variety of foods, from wings to French fries and even a cake. And I was impressed by the consistency in the results. The wings came out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, while the fries were golden and evenly cooked. Even baking a cake turned out better than I expected: moist, soft, and baked all the way through. But not everything is perfect. While the air fryer's cooking power is certainly impressive, the noise level can be a bit loud when it's working at full power. It's not overwhelming, but it's noticeable, especially if you're not used to air fryers. The non-stick coating is effective, but over time, with frequent use, it might show some signs of wear, though that's something to be expected with many non-stick surfaces. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Cuisinart Air Fryer isn't exactly cheap, but when you factor in the 6-quart capacity, the multiple cooking functions, and the overall build quality, it's priced competitively compared to other high-end air fryers. For instance, models from brands like Ninja or Instant Pot can be similarly priced but may not offer the same versatility or ease of cleaning. If you're someone who values performance and convenience, the Cuisinart is definitely a contender in this space. Comparing it to some competitors, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 air fryer also offers multiple cooking functions, but it comes at a slightly higher price. The Instant Vortex Plus is another popular choice. They're offering similar cooking functions, but with a smaller capacity. When it comes down to it, the Cuisinart Air 180 stands out in terms of its larger basket, ease of use, and straightforward functionality. It might not be the most advanced model out there, but for the price, it offers excellent value, especially if you're looking for a versatile air fryer that can handle a wide range of dishes. In terms of build quality, the Cuisinart Air Fryer feels sturdy and well-built. The black and stainless steel design gives it a premium look, and it fits well on most kitchen countertops without taking up too much space. Over time, with proper care, it should last for years, but as with any appliance, how you treat it will determine its longevity. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate should hold up well, but it's always wise to avoid using metal utensils to prolong the life of the non-stick surface. As for customer support, Cuisinart has a solid reputation in the kitchen appliance world. I didn't have to reach out to their customer service for any issues, but reviews across various platforms show that their support team is responsive and helpful. They're known for offering good warranties and addressing problems fairly quickly, which adds to the peace of mind when purchasing this product. If we're talking about software or firmware updates, that's not really a concern with this air fryer. It's a simple, straightforward appliance that doesn't rely on software updates or connected features, which keeps things simple and user-friendly. Wrapping this up, the Cuisinart Air Fryer is a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-clean air fryer. Its large 6-quart capacity, multiple cooking functions, and ease of use make it a great addition to any kitchen, especially if you frequently cook for a family or like to make large batches of food. The power and temperature control allow for precise cooking, and the Dishwasher-Safe parts make cleanup a breeze. However, it's not without its flaws. The noise level can be a bit much for some, and the non-stick surface, while effective, may show signs of wear over time. But if you're looking for an air fryer that ticks all the boxes in terms of performance, ease of use, and value for money, the Cuisinart Air 180 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from Reviewsinsidetv. Got any questions or thoughts about the Cuisinart Air Fryer? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you've already got one, share your experiences with us. Until next time, happy cooking, and stay tuned for more from Reviews Inside TV.